Both of these words mean to go in Samoan, but alu is the singular version and o is the plural version. There's several words that have singular and plural forms of itself, but most of them are just modified versions of the singular, like tautala and tautalatala, siva and sisiva. And then there's words that's completely different in their plural form, like alu and o, sao and omai. Now, one way to practice these words is by matching them with the correct singular and plural pronouns, because you wouldn't want to use a singular pronoun with a plural verb, so it's important to match them correctly. For example, ote, ete, nate. These are singular pronouns. So is it oteo or otealu? It's otealu because ote is singular, so you need the singular version of to go, which is alu. Otealu, etealu, natealu. Now, dual pronouns refer to two people, and these are going to be ta, ma, la, and lua. So if someone says to you, we go or let's go, is it tao or is it ta'alu? It's tao or kao, let's both go. And three or more subjects, it's going to be mato, tato, lato, and to. So it's not matoalu, it's matoo. Download the worksheet to practice. Join the free live Samoan language class at talofatalk.com.